Hey everyone, it's Walkian here from Motorola UK, and today I'm here to take you through the Moto G75 5G. First things first, the box is really nice and premium. Nice matte finish, and we have the G75 logo on the front. Let's see what's inside. Wow, look at that. The G75 with the case that comes in box. Let me take it out of its protective wrapping. Look at this design, it's definitely a beauty. Stylish and durable. It's thinner and lighter than expected, and the finish is just amazing. The main camera is a Sony Lightyear 600 with optical image stabilization. We have a super bright 6.78 inch full HD plus display. It has a power efficient Snapdragon processor, 8 gigs of RAM, expandable with RAM boost. There's also 256 gigabytes of onboard storage, and you can add up to 1 terabyte more storage with a micro SD card. Now let's see what we have here. Our usual documentation, including a quick start guide, and of course our SIM tray ejector tool. We also have the USB cable, which can be used to fill up its long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery. So there you have it, the G75 unboxed and ready for action. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.
Hello, Moto.